Hello, today we're going to make a simple brine that you can use for poultry or pork. If you've ever barbecued boneless, skinless chicken breasts or pork chops and they've come off and they've been dry as dust, brining will really help with that. It takes a couple of hours in the fridge, but it's really worth the extra effort. So we're going to start with 2 cups of water. We're going to add that to a pan. And we're going to add a 1/4 cup of kosher salt. And we're going to add another 1/4 cup this time of maple syrup. You could also use brown sugar. I just like the flavor that maple syrup gives the finished product. And then we're going to add some extra flavors. I'm going to add some whole peppercorns, just a small handful, maybe about 5 or 7. A few juniper berries, some whole cloves, and some whole allspice berries. What we're going to do is we're going to take this to the stove and we're going to bring it to the boil, and when all the salt is dissolved, then we're going to finish it. Alright, you can see the mixture has come to a boil and all of the kosher salt has dissolved, so we can turn that off now. And now we want it to cool down for a little bit, so we're going to let this cool on the stove for maybe about 10 minutes or so, and then we're going to add some ice to it, and we're going to make it really cold really fast. Okay, so this has had a chance to cool down a little bit. Now we want to make it cold. So I'm going to add 2 cups of ice cubes into the mixture. And I'm just going to stir this until it's cold enough that we can add the meat without cooking it. Because we don't want it to cook, we just want it to absorb the salt and the flavor. So when we put it on the barbecue, it will not dry out. So I'm just going to leave this, put this in the fridge, and then I'll add our boneless, skinless chicken or pork chops or whatever you like to it, and then you can cook your meat as you normally do and you'll see a big difference. I hope you find this useful, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.